Ever booked a meeting and felt like you were playing phone tag, or endlessly emailing back and forth trying to find a time that works? It's a universal pain, right? And it's a huge time suck for everyone involved. Think about it. How much productivity gets lost just scheduling? That's where HubSpot Meetings comes in. It's a scheduling tool designed to streamline the entire process, making it easier for people to connect and get things done. But who's actually using it? That's what we're diving into today. We're going to explore which companies, big and small, across different industries, are leveraging HubSpot Meetings to boost their efficiency and reclaim their time. Before we jump into specific examples, let's quickly recap what HubSpot Meetings actually is. For those unfamiliar, it's a free scheduling tool that integrates directly with your Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, and HubSpot CRM. If you're using it, you set your availability, share a link, and the other person can choose a time that works for both of you without any of the back-and-forth hassle. It automatically adds the meeting to both calendars and can even send reminders. Pretty slick, right? Now, the beauty of HubSpot Meetings is its versatility. It's not just for massive corporations. It's useful for anyone who schedules meetings, from solopreneurs and freelancers to small businesses and enterprise-level organizations. This means the range of companies using it is incredibly diverse. Let's start with the smaller players. Think about a freelance consultant. They're constantly scheduling calls with potential clients, existing clients, and collaborators. HubSpot Meetings eliminates the administrative overhead of scheduling, allowing them to focus on what they do best, providing their expertise. They can embed their meeting link directly in their email signature, on their website, or even in their social media profiles, making it incredibly easy for people to book a consultation. Then there are small businesses. Imagine a local marketing agency. They're juggling multiple client projects, internal team meetings, and sales calls. HubSpot Meetings helps them manage all these different schedules in one central place. They can even customize their meeting links for different types of meetings, a discovery call link versus a project update call link, for example. This level of organization is invaluable for small businesses trying to maximize their resources. Now, let's move up the ladder to medium-sized businesses. These companies often have sales teams, customer service departments, and human resources teams, all of which rely heavily on scheduling. For sales teams, HubSpot Meetings can be a game changer. Sales reps can share their meeting link with prospects, allowing them to book demos or follow-up calls directly. This removes friction from the sales process and can lead to higher conversion rates. Customer service teams can use HubSpot Meetings to schedule support calls, ensuring that customers get the help they need in a timely manner. HR departments can streamline the interview process by allowing candidates to self-schedule interviews. And what about large enterprises? Even though these companies often have dedicated scheduling tools, HubSpot Meetings can still be a valuable asset. It can be integrated with existing CRM systems, providing a unified view of all scheduled meetings. It can also be used for specific teams or departments that need a more flexible scheduling solution. For example, a marketing team within a large company might use HubSpot Meetings to schedule interviews with influencers or partners. While HubSpot doesn't publicly disclose a comprehensive list of all their users, you can find numerous case studies and testimonials on their website and across the web. These stories highlight how companies across various sectors are using the platform. You'll find examples from SaaS companies, marketing agencies, educational institutions, and even nonprofit organizations. The common thread? They're all looking to simplify scheduling and improve efficiency. Beyond specific company names, it's helpful to think about the types of companies that benefit most from HubSpot Meetings. Businesses that rely on appointments or consultations are prime candidates. Think about healthcare providers, financial advisors, real estate agents, or even hair salons. These businesses can use HubSpot Meetings to allow clients to book appointments online, reducing the workload on their administrative staff and providing a more convenient experience for their clients. Companies with distributed teams also find HubSpot Meetings incredibly useful. When team members are located in different time zones, scheduling meetings can be a logistical nightmare. HubSpot Meetings automatically adjusts for time zones, making it easy to find a time that works for everyone, regardless of location. Another key group of users are businesses that prioritize inbound marketing. HubSpot meetings integrate seamlessly with the HubSpot CRM, allowing businesses to track leads and nurture relationships. When a prospect books a meeting through a HubSpot meetings link, their information is automatically added to the CRM, making it easier for sales and marketing teams to follow up and personalize their communication. So, while we can't give you a definitive list of every company using HubSpot meetings, it's clear that the tool is being adopted by a wide range of organizations, from small businesses to large enterprises across diverse industries. Its ease of use, integration with other tools, and focus on streamlining the scheduling process make it a valuable asset for anyone looking to reclaim their time and boost their productivity. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.